Today we're going to be tearing down and setting up my carnival game. Okay, so we'll start off by taking this off and emptying it out. There. Place that on the chair and then... If the video ends randomly, there will be 2 parts. Because this thing only takes like a couple minutes to tear down. Unlike other things. Okay. These darts. Supposed to be 5. Found it. Beautiful day. It's like 80 degrees, 90. Perfect outside conditions. In like a million years, I guess. Okay, so we flip this over, then we put this in, then we lift this out so we can put our chair. Okay, now we're good to go down the road. There's going to be another part for this, so tune in next time. Yeah. Peace, y'all.